So we're all loaded up, panniers are full. All we need now is some petrol and we'll be ready to go. Temperature gauge on the bike is showing 27 degrees. And big black grey clouds in the sky as well as some sun. Oh, hey there. It's hot. It's humid. About to head off for a week away on the FJR. Before I do that, I've got to take a ride in one of these. Well, I don't know who this fella Murphy is, but I don't like his law, Murphy's law. The last shift before going on leave for a week, and everything's turning to custard. My train was late and now I've been pulled out onto a crossing loop to cross a train. But here he comes, so it's almost time to go.
Just a heads up there, it's number 1 here before some kids jumping off the bridge.
Well, the best laid plans of mice and men and motorcyclists. So I've just finished work about 3 hours later than I expected to because of train delays and such like, and now it's raining and I'm supposed to be heading south 5.5 hours. It's a public holiday on Monday up here in Auckland, and I saw as I was coming back in the train that the traffic heading south is horrendous. So I've made the decision that I'll leave in the morning. I love an early morning ride, so that's what we're going to do. Well, we've made it to Taupo. And a beautiful ride down. Bike's going really well, but it seems like my GoPro has cacked its pants because I turn it on and it makes a noise, but it doesn't do anything on the screen. I go to film it and turn it on and off and it does the noise, but nobody's home. I must have worn it out. Oh dear. So that puts a bit of a dampener on the old vlogging, but we've got the session. We'll have to see how we get on. Give it a go.